So we got about a half hour to go for Old Beach Farmers Market day, Saturday, the 15th. Beautiful. They claim it's going to be in the 70s today. Right now it's in the low 50s maybe, but still very nice. You saw these yesterday. We picked these up yesterday.
I don't see them. You tried that one? Yeah.
It's in there. And we got these this morning on the way to the farmers market. So we got a good start. Depending on what goes on in the market, we might have a ripper, maybe. Stand by. It's 5 minutes to 4. Well, 1 o'clock. My 1 o'clock is telling me it's time to get up. Every day he does this. We got to play ball last night. I'm in the recliner taking it easy. Actually, it's 4:55. I don't know if you can see it or not. He's been up here twice. He's a sound dog. Oh, that's the sign. Come on, get your tail up. We had a good day. I thought we would have. We got our gold, a couple extras. Cloudy. Stand by. And then we play chunk the ball. Most of the time. Get that ball. Go get it. He's hard-headed sometimes too. Thank you. Turkey. But it makes my day. Jack's replacement, Mr. Lambo.